packing up in a hurry.
And then it's $88 to send a plumber out.
Before the chaos ensued, Michael and I were headed to Los Angeles to enjoy a night out for our friend's show at the Troubadour. And when we woke up in the morning, this happened.
I gotta go get my car.
Remember that toilet we told you we were having issues with in the last episode? So last night we went to our friend's show and we stayed in Orange County. We were thinking, okay, we're good to go. House is taken care of. Then the cleaning ladies called us this morning. Take it away.
They called us and told us that it wasn't flushing all the way and it wasn't filling back up. Yeah, so you saw earlier that I was messing with the toilet, which I shouldn't have done. It was running a little bit, but I should have just been like, all right, it'll be like a couple more dollars on the water bill and have a plumber come out. It is 11:39 right now. It's a Saturday. We're in Newport Beach, which is over 2 hours away. We packed up as fast as we could, and now we are heading out to the desert to make sure that this problem gets solved because we have a guest checking in at 3. Yeah, this is what happens. I mean,
When you're managing it yourself, this is what can happen.
So we called an emergency plumber. They said they have a plumber that can be there between 2 and 3.
But he's in the area already, so we're crossing our fingers that maybe he'll show up early and we can just like give him a code to the door.
And if for some reason it gets close to 3 and the plumber's still there, we'll message them.
Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. And we're gonna clean up after the plumber, obviously. I'm so thankful for the cleaners. Today, after our conversation yesterday, like today, night and day. Like this is what I imagined of them because this is how they were at the beginning. Today, definitely a step in the right direction, just building our trust back, because had they not told us, who knows what could have happened when our guys got there today.
We would have to pay for them to go somewhere else.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so it is, what time is it? 1:45? 1:45?
Yeah.
Just got a text from the emergency plumbers that they're running behind about 30 minutes. So I have a feeling this is going to be all on me. Thank God that we packed up fast and drove out here, because it's so hard to rely on other people. All right, we made it. We made it.
You guys, our guests just showed up. I feel so exposed. Our garage is open. You know, we haven't cleaned our garage. It's like bending over in front of a camera. Right now.
They were early. I told them what was going down. They're a lovely couple from LA. They said, no worries, we're early. We'll throw our bags in and we'll go to the grocery store and get some stuff. The plumber has now arrived. Plumber has now arrived, and he is in doing his thing. He's got to replace the fill valve, which is like a $230 fix, which I know I can do myself, but I don't have the time. Home Depot's 30 minutes away. It'll take an hour to go there and back. So I'm just glad that the issue is going to get resolved today. Yeah. Finn's not happy about it. Are you, buddy? He's laying in the garage.
We totally forgot to even film coming home because we were just like taking a breather. We didn't film the house, we didn't film the plumber, we didn't film anything except for us sitting, hiding in the garage from the guests who arrived a little before 30 minutes early for their check-in time, which usually would be totally fine, but we were working on the house and yeah, it was a bummer, but we didn't get a bad review from them. Nothing went awry during their stay, or at least they didn't let us know anything was wrong during their stay. We were able to clean up after the plumber left, which was all we could ask for. It's day 5 or 6 of COVID.
You look good.
You look great.
Yeah, surprisingly we don't look bad right now, but this is
not what it's
case.
Been. So we've had COVID for about, technically it's 6 days.
This is the 6th day.
We went 2.5 years without it, so we got very, very, very lucky. We're gonna get back into the game. It's our 1-year anniversary today since we closed escrow on the house. You know, we had big plans for this week, and hopefully the next time you see us, we'll be out there working on the house and doing something exciting instead of sitting in bed. I just woke up from a nap. Like, this is what's happening. So we're heading to the house.
It's been 2 weeks since we've actually like looked at it.
Yeah, we need to do a deep clean, be in the house during the summer, see what it's like being there, because we haven't really stayed since April with our friends. The end of April was probably the last time we stayed.
Grateful that we can work from there.
Yeah.
The biggest thing is when I set up the washing machine, I didn't level it all the way.
Yeah.
And so it keeps getting off. Meant to do this last week, but we were physically unable to.
Yeah.
And hopefully clean up the garage.
Yeah.
That's the goal.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Because I'm tired just thinking about it.
She looks good. The plants need some water. That one's probably dead. Yeah.
Angel's gonna be so upset.
All right, she's looking good. No complaints.
No. I haven't opened the third bedroom. Who knows what that looks like?
Oh yeah. But yeah, watering the plants, get them back to life. And I need to clean these windows. Look at, just from the wind. I need to clean these little things. What's up? Have an outfit?
I do. Cheers.
We stopped drinking, and these have become our new go-to.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a beer.
With the grapefruit. It's just so beautiful here. Yo, what'd we just get? Superhost again?
Superhost.
Woo! Well, Michael's working, and I am laying in bed, trying to feel normal.
Working at the new desk.
Working at the new desk. It's looking great.
Like a Harry Potter in the closet over here.
Do you feel like you're in a closet?
No.
I'm just trying to feel normal. We watered the plants this morning. I did not want to wake up. I've not been doing anything for the last week, so this feels annoying.
So this is pretty embarrassing. This is the way the garage still looks. Try and pick some of this up, clean it up, and organize this. The workbench over there is so dirty still. I'm gonna try and organize that too this week.
Once in a while, I'll go through and put things back, rewash things that I found in other drawers or whatever, and just kind of get things reorganized, clean out the different areas, different drawers, and just make sure we have enough aluminum foil, plastic wrap, baggies for people. We pretty much do. And then I'll throw away things that I find that are either broken or like this is in the wrong area. This goes in the coffee stuff. I'll check on the oils and things. Usually people bring things like oil, and we have 3 in here right now and they're all pretty full, so I'll just leave them in here if anybody wants to cook. And then I just kind of move things around back to kind of where I want them. And then like these were all like they had stuff on them, so I'm gonna clean these off and then put them back. And Michael doesn't like to light candles in the house, but I just love these saguaro candles from Moonwind. This has been burning for a few hours, but this is kind of like part of the house smell that we have is this saguaro candle from Goodwill Supply Co. When we're here, we'll light these, and then I put them up with their cap on them because they just look like cans. You can't tell that they're actually candles. So no one really touches them, which is great. Kind of going through doing laundry, did the blankets, which haven't been washed in a minute. Just try to go through every like month or so and like refresh the decorative blankets too, because people are touching them, they're using them, you know, so they need to be washed as well.
Next thing I need to do is clean all this up. Dude, this COVID kicked my ass. My energy levels are so low right now.
Doing the ceilings.
Yeah.
1 year ago, I got a notification on my phone from a video I posted of you standing out here in your shorts and cut off tee. You were wearing socks and sandals because we had just taken our boots off for the day.
Yeah.
And I'm going, what are those?
I know. You sent it to me.
I can't believe it. It's been
I know.
a year since we started the ceilings and all that shit. Like,
I know.
it feels like it's been 2 years, to be honest.
Yeah.
The last year of our lives has been so much.
Yeah.
But I'm so thankful, like, being here this week.
Yes. Let's see what we got on the barbecue. Some steaks going. Not a bad view though.
Not too bad.
There's nothing like when you just hear those rocks.
Just get sucked up.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Like it's working.
It's like... We shot a little bit of content, and we're getting started on cleaning the house and having a topo because it's like 90 degrees outside and it just tastes so good. Nope, I don't. I'm gonna get started on the kitchen. Now it's just time to clean it all up, and then we'll go home.
I feel like I have to document this because these jute rugs out in the desert, when somebody steps on them, it like filters all of the sand and like fine dust out of their feet and shoes and just drops it straight through because like, look at this. Like, this is from underneath the rug, underneath the couch. Dust just collects under these jute rugs. It's absolutely insane. This vacuum has been amazing. We use it like every time we clean, and it's so much better than getting the dustpan and like sweeping it up. You just, and it's all good. Shout out to Dyson, sponsor us. Just because you have a cover on the grill does not mean it stays clean. This is always like the craziest part because like you have to step very carefully into these cactuses to clean these windows. And I'm wearing shorts. This is not a smart thing to do, but I'm the only adult here, so no one's gonna tell me not to do it. And I'm gonna do it and not get any splinters. Watch me. These rabbits did. They came and just ate the cactus. We had another cactus just like this right here, and the bunnies just come and they munch on it. Luckily they haven't gotten these ones yet, which I'm surprised. Maybe they're just waiting to get them next. This one and this one. What's left? I'm just gonna fold these. Fold the towels and the laundry. Yeah.
Let's just go. All our stuff's there.
It'll take 2 seconds. Are these retired?
Yeah, those two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they dirty?
Oh, the bag? I don't think you can hold the bag. With one hand.
Oh, okay.
Little baby.
All right. All that's left is to shake this baby out.
Yep. Hello, I live here. What's that from? From a movie.
I don't know.
Wonder if you're picking up the Murray base.
Can you guys hear that? Hold on. It sounds like a rocket's launching in the distance.
Or like a plane's flying through the air, but there's no planes anywhere.
Yeah, you can't see any planes or anything. They're invisible.
Just a taste of the sounds we hear out here. And then it's gone.
Yeah.
Weird. A fresh cold topo to top off the day.